today we are installing the Clubhouse Mini. All you need is a 10mm wrench and a 4mm Allen key. Installation is very simple. All you need to do is line up the Clubhouse Mini with the holes in the rear rack, and depending on which bike you're putting the Clubhouse Mini onto, you'll be using different sets of these holes. In the case of the HSD, the quick haul, and the short haul, we will be using the 2 inner holes. But if you're installing this onto the GSD, the quick haul long, or the Aurochs, you'll be using the outer 2 holes. You can put in the screws first. Then all that's left to do is to screw in these nuts. You can start by threading parts of it with your hand first, then moving on to using the tools to tighten them down. You should tighten the bolts to around 9 to 10 Newton meters. Once you tighten your bolts down, just give your Clubhouse Mini a little wiggle on the bike. Make sure that nothing's loose and that nothing's rattling. And if it's nice and secure, then you're all set and ready to go. And that is how you install the Clubhouse Mini.